The sun was warm on Nazareth Hill. The boys were laughing, playing still. They drew a line upon the ground and tossed their pebbles all around. Elf stone went far and true, but Ben cried out, "That's not for you." The laughter faded, voices rose, till Jesus stepped in soft and close. Peace brings love, love brings light. Truth will make the wrong things right. When we choose what's good and true, peace will shine on you. Jesus knelt down, smiling, branch in hand, measured the lines upon the sand. Of one said, "Jesus so kind, Ben, let's keep our peace in mind." Ben looked down, his heart grew warm, as friendship's light began to form. A soft wind whispered through the air, God's own peace was shining there. Blessed are the ones who make peace.
Yeah.
Children of God, their joy increase. When your heart is pure and clean, Jesus smiles serene.